In today's video, let's talk about the way that you fix the Chase Zelle not working. So if you're trying to transfer payments from Chase Zelle, if you're having issues with it, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out. The first thing that you can immediately do is verify the contact tokens. So what I mean by that is whenever you add in the email address or the phone number of the person that you're trying to send the payment to, if those information are incorrect, you won't be able to send or confirm the payment. So make sure that you check that first of all. And secondly, you'll also need to check if the address account holds any sort of security triggers. Chase account frequently blocks or flags Zelle transfers to protect users from frauds or any sort of unexpected scams. If this is the case as well, you wouldn't be able to transfer any sort of payments. Lastly, what you can also try out is try to update the application of Chase. So just head over to the Play Store or App Store depending upon your device, search for Chase, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to solve any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. Now, even if you've done all of these steps and you're still having issues with it, this likely is because due to the regional outage. So if currently the system of Chase is having issues, in this situation you just need to wait out a couple of minutes, sometimes even a couple of hours, before the issue is automatically fixed. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.